Hi everyone, this is Vikram from Gigayasa Wireless. In this video, we will be installing 5G Toolkit on Windows operating system. So the detailed installation is provided on our website. So first thing you have to do is you have to go to gigayasa.com. Now go to product section and click on 5G Toolkit. So on the top of it, you will see view documentation, which provides you the complete documentation of 5G Toolkit. So the second section on the left-hand side is install 5G Toolkit. So this provides you the detailed documentation of how exactly you can install the toolkit on your Windows system. So Conda is already set up on my system, so I'll not be running it. I'll directly open the Conda prompt. And on this one, I can verify the version of Conda on my system. So I have 23.5.2. So I'll change my directory to one temporary directory where I'll be doing everything in this video. The first thing that we have to do as per this page is we have to create an environment with name Gigayasa. So let me do that. And that environment will be having Python version 3.11. So the creation of the environment started. Accept the conditions and then the Conda environment is created. Now I'll activate this environment by running this command. So all the steps that we'll be doing from here on will be done in this environment only. So the first tool that we have to install is Jupyter Notebook that we will be using for uh, for implementing Python code from here onwards. And it will also be used for the verification of the license, whether we are able to import the 5G toolkit or not. So Jupyter is installed. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to install the 5G toolkit. So it's just a single line of installation. Just copy this line and paste it here and press enter. Okay. So the installation has completed. Now let's verify it. So, yep. So this is showing that the tool has been installed. Now the next thing we'll do is we'll open the Jupyter Notebook and we will try to import the 5G toolkit. So let me create a blank Jupyter Notebook. So what we want is we have to import toolkit, import toolkit 5G SDK. So this is saying that there is license error, right? And the reason is because the tool has been installed, but the license is not activated yet. And 5G toolkit require license to work. So how to install the license? So you click on Central Hub for Windows. This will direct you to one link from where you can download the Central Hub, which is nothing but your license installer. So let me go to this place and let me run this file. So Windows expect us to pay them money to get it certified, but don't have to worry about it. Just run it anyway. So continue, 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 accept the license. You can read the license thoroughly. Now run it, continue and install. Okay, done. So now if you're new to 5G Toolkit, you'll have to create one account. So let me create one account. Keep yourself as administrator. Many people make a mistake that they choose themselves as individual. You don't have to do that. Individual is for centralized licenses. So if you're installing it for your own purpose, please select as an administrator. Now accept the license and create the account. So you will have to enter a OTP to verify your email. So let me do that. This is my OTP. So if I enter my OTP, I'll verify it. So my account is created now. Now with the same account, I have to log in. Okay, so now I logged in into my account. Now this is a place where I have to activate my license. So click on the activate license and pass your license key. So finally, the license is active now. Now let's try to import the license again. Sorry, let's try to import the 5G toolkit again. Okay, so now we have imported it. That means the whole thing is set up properly now. Now what we'll do is we'll download. So for those who are very new, they can go through getting started tutorial and it will give you some very basic idea about how Python packages are developed and how can you use them. So what I'll do is I'll download one of the tutorial. Let's download initial access and we will save them here at this place. Let me save it. So done. Okay, so here it is. Okay, my bad. Okay, so the mistake I made is I saved it as a text file. I have to save it as a all file. So let's see. Now I hope it should come out correctly. Yeah. So finally it's downloaded. It's downloaded as a Python notebook file. This is where we are importing our 5G toolkit. These are my simulation parameters. So let's run it one by one and let's see. Okay, so now you can see the whole code is running. So these are the constellation diagrams. So this is it. I think now the whole thing is working fine. So this is all in the installation. Thanks for listening to us. See you in the next video. Bye.